Experiencing no service on your ALDI Mobile iPhone can be frustrating. This issue commonly arises after switching to an eSIM or due to network selection problems. ALDI Mobile uses the networks of major carriers like AT&T and Verizon, so understanding how to manage your iPhone's network settings is key. First, ensure your iPhone model, iPhone XS and later, fully supports ALDI Mobile's eSIM. If you've recently switched to an eSIM, verify that the activation was successful. A common solution is to manually select a network. To do this, go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Network Selection. Turn off Automatic and manually choose either AT&T or Verizon, depending on ALDI's preferred network in your area. Finally, try basic troubleshooting steps like toggling airplane mode on and off, restarting your iPhone, or resetting network settings via Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Make sure you have the latest iOS version installed to prevent issues. If manual network selection doesn't resolve the no service issue, your eSIM profile might be corrupted. You can remove it by navigating to Settings, Cellular, your ALDI plan, Delete Cellular Plan. Reactivate the eSIM by scanning the QR code provided by ALDI Mobile, which can be found on their app or website. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection during the activation process. Keep your iPhone's carrier settings updated by going to Settings, General, About, and waiting for an update prompt. Looking ahead, the mobile industry is moving towards greater eSIM adoption, and ALDI Mobile is no exception. By 2027, ALDI aims to offer full standalone 5G access, potentially eliminating network selection issues. Future iOS updates are expected to include AI-driven network optimization, further reducing no-service problems. While rural coverage may still present challenges, ALDI Mobile is exploring technologies like satellite integration to improve connectivity in remote areas. Always check ALDI Mobile's website for the latest updates and troubleshooting guides.